Welcome to Machine Solutions, where powerful machines meet precision craftsmanship. In today's video, we're taking you on a full journey, from deep inside the forest where towering trees are harvested, to the sawmills and factories where they are transformed into valuable timber products. You'll see how the forestry and wood industry operate like a well-oiled machine, with each stage carefully planned, from felling to sorting, cutting, stacking, and transporting. For many of us, wood is something we see every day, in homes, furniture, and construction. But few truly know the incredible work and machinery behind this industry. This compilation showcases advanced European and South American sawmills, heavy-duty logging equipment, and precision manufacturing lines. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching these powerful machines turn raw logs into finished lumber. Our first stop is Pfeifle-Holz Sawmill, a well-known sawmill where the journey of wood from round log to stacked lumber unfolds with remarkable efficiency. Everything begins at the log yard, where freshly delivered logs are carefully unloaded and placed in neat rows. These logs come from sustainably managed forests, ensuring that new trees are planted to replace those harvested. Once in the yard, they are sorted by size, length, and quality. Next, the logs move to the debarking machine. This is where the outer bark, which protects the tree in the wild, is stripped away in seconds. Removing bark not only improves the quality of the wood, but also protects the cutting machinery from unnecessary wear and tear. After debarking, the logs are conveyed into powerful band saws. Modern sawmills like Pfeifle-Holz use automated scanning systems to measure each log's diameter and shape. This allows the saw to make the most efficient cuts possible, reducing waste and maximizing usable lumber. As the blades move swiftly, logs are transformed into boards, planks, and beams. Conveyor belts then carry the sawn wood through sorting lines. Each piece is graded automatically by advanced sensors and sometimes inspected by experienced workers. Then comes stacking and drying. Fresh-cut lumber still contains a significant amount of moisture. To make it suitable for construction and manufacturing, the wood is carefully dried in large kilns or air-drying sheds. This step is critical. Proper drying prevents warping, shrinking, and cracking later on. Once dried, the lumber is planed and trimmed to meet precise industry standards. The sawmill ensures that every board is uniform in size and surface quality. Finally, finished timber is stacked on pallets, wrapped for protection, and loaded onto trucks or rail cars. From here, it travels to furniture factories, construction sites, and other industries. Pfeifle-Holz is a great example of how traditional craftsmanship and modern technology come together. Every step is designed to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and produce high-quality lumber that will eventually become homes, floors, furniture, and countless everyday products. For many seasoned woodworkers and machinery enthusiasts, seeing these lines in action brings back memories of how much the industry has evolved over the decades, from manual saws to fully automated systems. Next, we visit Mercer Mass Timber, a company that represents the future of modern wood construction. Here, processed lumber is transformed into engineered timber products like cross-laminated timber, CLT, and glulam beams. These products are stronger and more stable than traditional lumber, making them ideal for building tall wooden structures. Mercer uses computer-controlled production lines that assemble multiple layers of wood into massive panels, bonding them with environmentally friendly adhesives. These panels are then precision cut using CNC machines to fit perfectly in modern architectural designs. Mass timber is becoming increasingly popular in North America and Europe because it's strong, sustainable, and helps reduce carbon emissions compared to steel or concrete. What began as a simple tree in the forest can now support entire buildings. Of course, none of this would be possible without one crucial part of the chain: forestry and logging operations. Before lumber reaches the sawmill, skilled workers and powerful machines work deep in the forest to harvest the raw material. The process begins with careful forest management. Trees are selected for harvest based on age, size, and environmental planning. Sustainable forestry ensures that the ecosystem remains balanced. Younger trees continue to grow, and new seedlings are planted to replace those cut down. In the field, you'll often see massive machines like harvesters and feller bunchers. These impressive machines can cut down a large tree in just seconds. Equipped with rotating saw heads, they can grasp, cut, and lay down a tree in one fluid motion. Once felled, processors strip the branches and cut the tree trunk into logs of standard length. This step used to require a team of workers with chainsaws, but modern equipment can now do it more quickly, safely, and accurately. Logging is among the most demanding and dangerous professions in the world. That's why the use of specialized heavy machinery has completely changed the game. In this segment, we'll see how modern equipment tackles some of the toughest trees. These machines are designed for extreme durability, capable of operating in challenging terrain and harsh weather.
What? Oh, I sat down hard. Holy moly.
Powerful chainsaws are still used in certain areas, especially for precision cutting or in regions where large machines can't access. Skilled loggers handle these tools with years of experience and strict attention to safety.
Oh man.
However, most large-scale logging is now done with mechanical harvesters. These machines grip the trunk, saw it cleanly at the base, and can even cut the log into sections in seconds. The efficiency is astonishing.
There we go. Wasn't so bad. Once I get two edges going. There we go. My saw is safe now. Oh yeah. Come on. There we go. Big whiteout. Yeah.
For older viewers who grew up near forests or lumber camps, this transformation is remarkable. What once required a full team of men with axes and crosscut saws can now be done by a single operator inside a climate-controlled cab.
Yeah. Oh, what a great day. Okay, so we got another nice hemlock here.
And beyond efficiency, modern logging is increasingly tied to sustainable forestry. GPS systems, computerized harvest plans, and replanting programs ensure that the forests can continue to provide timber for generations to come. This is the heartbeat of the industry: strong machines, skilled operators, and a deep respect for the forest. From the forest floor to the sawmill, and finally to modern wood construction, every piece of lumber has a story. We hope this journey has given you a deeper appreciation for the machinery, the people, and the industries that make it all possible. Thank you for watching Machine Solutions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible machine footage.